Welcome, namaste, assalamu alaikum guys, welcome back to my channel. I've always dreamt of buying smartwatches guys, and hell yeah, OnePlus finally did this. So being a OnePlus fan, I will definitely not won't miss this one. So let's begin. So let's take a look at the box first. Here we have the OnePlus watch written over here, the side. Okay, so the box overview, and in the back we have OnePlus watch limited edition, product model name and everything, MRP, blah blah blah, serial number, etc. Oh, so we don't need a knife it seems. Okay, let's throw it. So first time it's gonna be knifeless unboxing guys. Let's take it out. This box itself feels so premium guys. I mean the leather, like leather and stuff. Let's open it. Wow guys, just wow, this looks premium. And let me mention the specs here below guys. On the side you can see the specs. First, for a few seconds, let's go to specs. Okay, let's see what's inside the box. Okay, we'll keep this aside. Okay, user manual and stuff. Who reads this anyways? And here we got some extra strap, and inside it's a charging docks guys, charging dock station. Looks like this. Okay, let's put it back. And keep this aside as well. So here's the watch guys. Here we have the sensor and everything. OnePlus branding written over here. I think you guys can see that. This strap feels premium too guys. The side it has two buttons. This cobalt alloy, I'm already digging it guys. And in the front it has sapphire glass as mentioned from OnePlus. Okay, now let's start it up. I think this is the power button. Yeah, this is the one. English, yeah. Okay, download the OnePlus Health app. Wait a minute guys, I will download this on my device. Let's quickly install this. Okay, now let's open this app, guys. Okay. Okay, I think we are good to go. Add now. Okay. This is my OnePlus 8T, guys. If you guys don't know. Okay. I use right, guys. Okay, let me wear this for a second. Yeah, this looks good. Okay, here we have the apps and everything. I won't go into much features, guys. As you can see, it has calling, stress monitoring, blood oxygen, heart rate, everything, music control through Bluetooth headphones, TV connect, which you can connect your OnePlus TV, Find phone, and etc. Okay, that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys soon in my next video. Until then, eat healthy, avoid accidents. You all know that's the secret to long life.